Luxury isn't about having more, it's about having the freedom to enjoy what matters most. This is one of Heritage's most desirable floor plans, the Vanderbilt Estate. It's located on the island with over $200,000 in upgrades. It's designed for effortless living. From the moment you walk in, the design feels both elegant and welcoming. Rich hardwood floors, soaring ceilings, and a floor-to-ceiling fireplace anchor the open living spaces. While the kitchen features GE Café and Monogram appliances, plus an oversized island built for entertaining. The primary suite feels like a private retreat, with an attached flex room with custom built-ins, perfect for a home office, hobbies, or whatever fits your lifestyle. Step outside and you'll find a backyard that's just as impressive. A California room, built-in barbecue, brand new spa, fire pit, custom water feature, raised garden beds, and retractable awnings create an outdoor space you can enjoy year-round. As beautiful as this home is, Heritage is what truly makes it special. This premier 55-plus gated community offers resort-style pools, a fitness center, pickleball, tennis, bocce, and an active social calendar that makes it easy to meet people and stay connected. And when you want to get out, you're just minutes from Dorado Hills Town Center, local wineries, restaurants, shopping, concerts, and scenic walking trails. It's the kind of lifestyle people move here for. If you're looking for luxury that's easy to enjoy and not maintain, this Vanderbilt Estate is the one you need to experience in person.